program, right?
I swear, bro. You don't wash it. I'll wash my life. I mean, like, with that thing. Bro, how much dust is there? At home, you can't see anything.
Why you need this?
I need to. No. Like, but I don't know why it does.
Mask get pani.
Password ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ
ಟೈಮ್ ಕಟ್ಟ ಬಂದು ಆಯ್ತು ಬನ್ನಿ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀರಿದೆಯಾ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ
Want to earn extra while studying? Start reselling and build your monthly income source. Now
For
share
somebody
and
as
sell
tall
20
as
products
Alok
from
uncle,
Meesho
it is
today
cutting.
and earn more than 25,000.
So raise it. No. For now, people are standing here. No, see, it's good to capture.
Okay, Mata, I'll just make it a little higher. I'll make it higher.
No, they're live.
I know. Just wait 1
What
second.
is the use of making live now? There is something happening here.
What is that? There's nothing.
You should cover everything.
Okay, fine. Microphones also on.
Okay. Shall I increase?
Just max.
There are two people, I think. This height is good. Can we take it a little back?
No. For dance performance, I'll move a little bit. Because speech and all.
Okay, I'll be here.
ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು
ಆಗ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ತೆಗಿಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಹಾಂ ಸರಿ ಈಗಲೇ ಹಾಂ
Live link is on already.
ಮೇಡಮ್
Okay, let's put
ನೋಡ್ರಿ
it in.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅದೃಷ್ಟ ನೋಡಿ ಯಾರ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಚ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದೃಷ್ಟ ಇರಬೇಕು
You can.
ಬಾಬು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಪನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೂಪನ್ ಕೊಡು
Ready? You hold it in hand. I'll move the table.
Oh, wait, 1 second.
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡು ಪುಟ. Hold it.
1 second.
ಅಂಕಲ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾನು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡೋದೆಲ್ಲ.
Why though?
Later.
This dude also okay.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ನಡೀತಿದೆ ಬಟ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರೋರು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಮೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ 1 ಇಯರ್ ಯಂಗರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೋ ಬಟ್
screen chat why is the video so good? This highest resolution is 720p, yet the video is still so blurry. He was a that blurry or not? Hello. Who are the mic?
now if you have something to say now
No, I don't say anything.
1 2
somebody
No, thumbnail. I didn't have anything else to put. What else to put? Oh, see, no, clarity has gotten better. Still fine. No, this is the thing.
Mona, you're watching it.
No, just so that I can. Yeah. My voice will be sharing very much now that I'm right here. Can you just check if
Madam, secretary.
I mean, he should be here anytime.
Huh?
He should be here anytime.
ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬಿಪು ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು
Sanjeev. Sanjeev.
what are you speaking about?
What are you speaking about?
ಸರ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಬನ್ನಿ
Can you hear me?
ನಾವು ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದ ನೀವೇ ಕಿತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನೀವೇ ಕಿತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ
What of dinner?
We'll do.
There's only 5 people.
See, you can give some audio commentary.
Already did.
We have people gathered here. Say hello.
You realize you can hear everything that you say.
That's why I'm talking. And
Oh, just keep it not. Start any.
Nathan, 8 o'clock you should go live.
okay, we'll be starting the program in some time. Just in a few minutes.
You're doing it. No, then. Then what? Go around.
Okay. We'll go one round, say hello to all the children and the participants of the program. Hello, girls. Bright and yellow. Depending on the program. Oh, no. Ilandre innೊಂದು spare table.
You know, Ayushman means someone with a long life.
See, this is fine. What is the program now?
Dance is last. Non focus
No, table move ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
It's fine, I'll just focus it. Huh? I'll just put it here. Or will it?
For dance will come back.
No, I'll just move it.
ಕೋಲಾರದ ಮಳ್ಳಲಿ ಬೆರೆದೆ ಬರವಾದರೆ ನಾನು ಚಾಂದಿಗೆ ನೆರಳಾಗಿರುವೆ ಮಗುವಾದರೆ ನಾನು ಕಾವೇರಿ ಮಡಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಗುವೆ ಕಲ್ಲಾದರೆ ನಾನು ಬೇಲೂರಿನ ಗುಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವೆ ಮಣ್ಣಾದರೆ ನಾನು ಕೋಲಾರದ ಮಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆರೆವೆ
Want my mom to see the stream? Huh? Want my mom to see the live? Oh, okay. Huh? It won't go to the max, but it's visible. Everything's visible. It is very blurry. This is fine now.
White covering everything.
ಹೂವಾದರೆ ನಾನು ಮೂಕಾಂಬೆಯ ಬಾಲದಿ ಇರುವೆ ಹುಲ್ಲಾದರೆ ನಾನು ಕಾಟುಂಬೆಯ ದಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಲಿದೆ ಮಳೆಯಾದರೆ ನಾನು ಮಲೆನಾಡಿನ ಮೈಯನ್ನು ತೊಳಿವೆ ಒಡೆಯಾದರೆ ನಾನು ಆ ಜೋಗದ ಸಿರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆರೆವೆ ಪದವಾದರೆ ನಾನು ಪಂಕಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆರೆವೆ ದನಿಯಾದರೆ ನಾನು
No, but let them unload it. It's okay.
No, when the program starts,
1 minute we'll move it.
let the auto be.
ಎತ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ ಎತ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾನೆ 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ Good.
I would request you all to please be seated. Over here, there's a live streaming, so please don't cross this line. Thank you.
Hey, give it to the right place. Okay, girls.
Good morning, lecture. Thank you so much for gathering here today to celebrate the joint occasion of Kannada Rajyotsava and Children's Day. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷದ ನವೆಂಬರ್ 1ರಂದು ಆಚರಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. 1956 ನವೆಂಬರ್ 1 ನಿರ್ಮಾಣವಾದುದರ ಸಂಕೇತವಾಗಿ ಈ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಭಾರತದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷೆ ಮಾತನಾಡುವ ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳನ್ನು ವಿಲೀನಗೊಳಿಸಿ ಒಂದು ರಾಜ್ಯವನ್ನು ಘೋಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ಈ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರು ನಾಡ ಹಬ್ಬವನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ.
Let us now call upon Mahi and Namit to host our national flag.
Take it up.
बोलो भारत माता के, बोलो इलेक्शन के।
Thank you, Mahi and Namit, for that patriotic special. Let us begin the event with a devotional prarthana from Akshara and Ananya.
सरस्वती विद्युवती सरस्वती विद्युवती मुरली वीणा गान विनोदिनी संवेदिनी मुरली वीणा गान विनोदिनी संवेदिनी चारु चंद्रहासिनी चारु चंद्रहासिनी सरसिरुहलोचनी चारु चंद्रहासिनी सरसिरुहलोचनी मुरारी गुरु गुह मोदिनी मुरारी गुरु गुह मोदिनी शब्दार्थ स्वरूपिणी हंसिनी ब्रह्माणि आदत्त वरण रूपिणी स सनिधनी निधमत सनिधमग स सनिधनी निधमत सनिधमग गामदनि स सनिधनी निधमत सनिधमग समगदम निधनि सग समग सनि स निग सनिधनि द सनिधमत कमा सग समग सनि स निग सनिधनि द सनिधमत कमा गदामनि द सनि सगनि निसद दनिम सगनि निसद दनिम सगनि निसद दनिम समगम मग सनि दनि निग सद ग सनि रमद बसनि सदनि समग सरस्वती दीदी युवती संरक्षतु मां श्री सरस्वती दीदी युवती दीदी युवती दीदी युवती Wow, that was so divine and melodious. Thank you so much.
We shall now invite the ray of sunshine,
The humorist of all humorists, the wisecracker,
the man himself, President Nathan.
Shubhodaya. Good morning to all. ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾದ ಈಶಾನ್ಯ ಕುಪ್ಪಳ್ಳಿಯವರೇ, ಆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೋಪ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಪಟಾಭಿರಪ್ಪನವರೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸದಸ್ಯರೇ, ಮಿತ್ರರೇ, ಮಹಿಳೆಯರೇ ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಪುಟಾಣಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಚೀಫ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಈಶಾನ್ಯ ಕುಪ್ಪಳ್ಳಿ, Principal of Acts of Hope School, Mr. Pattabhiraman, our dear members, friends, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear children. On behalf of Lakeshore Homes Plot Owner Association, I render a warm welcome to one and all. As we are celebrating this double Dhamaka celebration at Lakeshore Homes, as you all know, we are celebrating two events on the same day. ನಾವು ಈ ದಿನ ಎರಡು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಆಚರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಒಂದು ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ, ಒಂದು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ದಿನ. So we are celebrating two events. One is Children's Day and Rajyotsava, and I am sure that everybody are aware of the importance of these events. But still, I want to say a few words about this celebration. So, do you all know, children, what is Kannada Rajyotsava? What is Kannada Rajyotsava? Yeah, come on. Yeah, you should. Hey, tell man.
Anybody?
Yeah. Tell anybody. What is Kannada Rajyotsava?
You have a mic somewhere? You can
Yeah, there was one more.
No, I'm
It's okay. Okay. You don't know?
Hey, go.
Come here. You don't know? Are you aware of Kannada Rajyotsava? What is that?
It's the time that Karnataka like became state.
Very good. Give him a big round of applause for it. Okay. What is your birthday?
April 6th.
Okay. So this is the birthday of our state. Okay, but birthday is November 1st, but we celebrate the whole month. Okay, today is November 14th. We are celebrating Rajyotsava. So the whole month we celebrate Kannada Rajyotsava. So a brief history of Kannada Rajyotsava is that earlier this whole region was called, we were under Mysore state. I don't smile now. I'm nervous man. Anyway. Okay. Okay, our state was formed in the year 1956, November 1. Earlier it was called Mysore state in November 1956. Later on, we had the Uttara Karnataka people, the North Karnataka people were not happy about the name called Mysore state. So it was again renamed on November 1975 as Karnataka. And it was under the leadership of then Chief Minister Devaraj Aras. And there are a lot of important people who were involved in unification of the state. Okay. Earlier this state was part of Maharashtra, Andhra and things like that, but few important people were involved in unification of the state. I would like to tell their name. One is Mr. Shivram Karant, and we are blessed to have her daughter in our layout. Next is grandfather of Ishanya Kuppalli, Kuvempu sir. Please, oh, you should come here. Masti Venkatesh Iyengar, Krishna Rao and Sri Kantaya. These are the people who were involved in unification of today's state called Karnataka. Now coming to Children's Day. Again, Children's Day, you all know what is Children's Day. Anybody else? Come. Yeah. Come here.
Today is the birthday of Chacha Nehru. He loves children, so we celebrate Children's Day as his birthday.
Very good. Give a big round of applause. By the way, do you all know there is one more event called World Children's Day or Universal Children's Day? Are you aware of it?
So World Children's Day is to celebrate children, obviously, because of their understanding to people and how nice they are.
Okay. Okay. The World Children's Day is celebrated all over the globe on November 20th. It was first started in 1954. The motto of this celebration is to promote international togetherness, awareness among children worldwide, and improving children welfare. And every year there is a theme for this World Children's Day. And are you aware of this year's theme? Okay. This year's theme is even I don't know. This year's theme is to help children recover from learning loss due to COVID. Okay. So and hope and wish we collectively do justice to this theme and do our bit to the society at large. With these few words, I again welcome you all for a happy Kannada Rajyotsava and Children's Day celebration at Lakeshore Homes. I am sure and confident you will enjoy the program organized by our managing committee. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
And on that note, I would like to ask you all, do any of you know who Kuvempu is? Well, he was one of the greatest Kannada poets that ever lived. Kuvempu was one of the people who helped in making Kannada a medium in schools. Hence, it is an honor for me today to present to you Kuvempu's very own granddaughter to say a few words to us today.
ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನೆರೆದಿರೋರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಹೊಸ ಮುಖಗಳಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಈಶಾನ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಕನ್ನಡ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡನೂ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗದೆ ಇದೆ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ಯೂ ಕನ್ನಡ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ನಾಥನ್ ಸೆಡ್, ಇದು 65 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ, ಅಂದರೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಅಂತ ಆಗಿ 65 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ಗೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಈವನ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ 1956 ತೆಲುಗರು, ತಮಿಳರು ಮತ್ತು ಮಲಯಾಳಿಗಳು ತುಂಬ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಬಂದವರು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರದ್ದು ಆ್ಯಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಆ್ಯಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ತುಂಬ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಬೈ ಮೆನಿ ಅದರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸಮ್ವೇರ್ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಲೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದೇರ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ. So that is the time when everybody wanted to make Kannada a little bit known. So we are all gathered. So if you look around, there are so many different language speaking people, right? And Bangalore especially, you know that even Telugu, Tamil people have become Kannadiga, right? Born and brought up here, but maybe they belong to different. So this is the whole reason why Kannadana ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ lot of people are putting lot of effort, even right from 1956, even before that. So I was probably privileged, I can say that my granddad was a lot, he did a lot in that, and I grew up seeing that. So but the today's situation ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮೆಟ್ರೋ ಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮೇ ಇದು. I don't call this problem, I don't know whether we should call it growth also, but we are all living together, especially in Lakeshore homes. It's nodadike I feel very nice. But I think a Kannadiga and ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಏನು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಒಂದು 4-5 ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಅವುಗಳನ್ನ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಜೊತೆ, ಆರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ನೂ ಕಲಿಸಿ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ನಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೋತೀವೋ ಅವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಯುನೈಟ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಐ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನಾನು ವೆನ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ, ನಾನು US ಹೋದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರಿನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಮನಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಅಲ್ಲೊಬ್ಬರು ಕೂತಿದ್ರು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್, ಅವರು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಗ್ಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು 5-5-25 ಅಂತ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಮೇ ಫೀಲ್ ಸೋ ಗುಡ್. There is somebody who says the same thing what I am talking, so it just made me connect with that person. So ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, wherever you are, you have to learn the language of that land. ಅವಾಗ you will become those people. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು. The moment you talk different language, they are different to us, right? So ಇದು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So ನಾವು how we can contribute to any land is learning their language, becoming them and living together. So I hope ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ. Let's think today that we will do this, contribute to Karnataka. Thanks a lot. And I'm very happy that when Nathan called, actually my whole thing was speech ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಅಂತ. So we didn't talk about the speech anyway. Thanks a lot for all the MCs for calling me here, because I love Lakeshore Homes. And I feel it's my honor to talk these 4 few words. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Nathan and Aishani aunty, for those inspiring words. I now call upon the principal of Good Hope School, Mr. Patabi Raman, to share a few words.
ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಕನ್ನಡ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. First of all, I would like to wish you all the happy Kannada Rajyotsava, because I am a Kannadiga. ಮೂಲತಃ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡಿಗ. ನಾನು ಹುಟ್ಟಿ ಬೆಳೆದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಮೈಸೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ. So today I am very happy because of 2 things. ಒಂದು ವಿಚಾರ, as a student, I used to worship Dr. Kuvempu as one of my idol in Kannada literature. So today, I found an opportunity to meet the granddaughter of Rashtrakavi Kuvempu. It is one of the memorable moments in my life. Thank you, ma'am. She told one truth. I really appreciate that word. We have come from different regions of India with different languages. So wherever we live, if you want to get accustomed to that conditions, we should know the regional language. That's very important. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಿಂಗಲ್ ಆದಾಗ when you mix up with the public, just for example, she said one example that when we meet the traffic inspector, police, what it may be, ಆಗೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆದರ್ತಾರೆ. They scared off. When they found that we have come from some other region, they start dominating you. So because of that reason, what ma'am has said is a good advice that we should learn that language of that region, then it will be helpful for us to lead a happy life in that region. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಕನ್ನಡ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಾದಲ್ ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ಲೋಸೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಟು ಸೇ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಆಗಲಿ, he is the most active person. And moreover, he is the main donor of our school, in fact. So he used to tell that, sir, whenever we need our help, it may be academic wise or it may be financial wise, we will be there on the spot. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷನೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಆಗಲಿ, whether it is an educational trip or any other national festivals, so he'll be the main person in that. Before going on to the next details, I would like to introduce myself and about my school. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆ ಶಾಲೆ ಒಂದು structure and everything, the details I would like to say in front of you people. So this Acts of Hope school is started in the early 20s, that is in the year 2000. It was started by with the main intention to give children who have come from some are backward classes and rag pickers. So with that intention they started early. The strength was only 43 in the year 2000. Now we are almost reached 430. So it was a great effort done by the people of Great Britain, and after 10 years, that in the year 2010, they handed over this school, everything to the local person called Mr. Kishore. He is a chartered accountant in Ashwad company. So it was so difficult to run a school by giving free education for each and every child, right from the fees, books, clothes, food and everything. Somehow our management committee, with the help of Nathan sir and some other people like that, the donors, they're managing everything all these days. So when the COVID came, it was actually a difficult situation for us. Even we were unable to pay the salary for the teachers. So during that time, I would like to take the name of Nathan sir. He has helped us to pay the salary also, so many occasions. We are charging just 10,000 to 12,000 rupees per annum, but the actual cost of each and every child comes around 25,000, including the annual fees, clothes, food and everything. So we used to collect just 50%, but believe it or not, even most of the parents, last year fees kuda sumar where we'll throw them outside. Because of that, they are not paid the last year fees also. But we used to ask them. Why? Because our main intention was to provide the free education for the children. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಂದಿಗ್ಧ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನಾಟ್ ಇವನ್ ಇವಾಗ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ 1 penny ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್. ಈಗ 10,000 ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ 1 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನಾವು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು 25ರಿಂದ 26 ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬಂತು. ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಅನೇಬಲ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಡೋನರ್ಸ್. ಆಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾದನ್ ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು 2 ತಿಂಗಳು ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ಹಿಮ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಕೇಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಆಲ್, ಸೊ our school is nearby only, so whenever you have free time you can visit our school. I need your help and support to give the education for all these needy children. So I thank Nathan sir to give this opportunity to expose myself in front of you today. So I expect some help from your end to run this school further. So thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir, for your work. It was very educating. Now to call the lovely wonder child, the magnificent Kuttu, my amazing and mysterious sister, to give us a speech for today.
Hello, lecturers. I extend my warmest greetings, wishing you all a happy Children's Day. Let's celebrate this day with joy and fully appreciate the gift of childhood that has been given to us. However, let us also remember the great responsibility that is towards the society and a better India. As Chacha Nehru said, children are like buds in a garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured as they are the future of the nation and the citizens of tomorrow. Only through the right education and a better order society can be built up. Today, the children of our country are fighting for basic health and education. On this occasion, I would like to draw your attention to the fact that India is a country when it comes to the employment of child labor. Many of these children are working in hazardous industries such as bangle making, matchbox making, precious stone cutting, and domestic help. By not making an effort to stop child labor, and by not making primary education available to each child, we are entrusting their future and ours into darkness. When each one of us makes a concrete effort to this evil, only then we can make our country successful and great just like our leaders have envisioned. As they say, start at home. Please do not employ children as domestic help and do not give money to them at traffic lights. Let's break the cycle and get them rightfully back to school. At last, I thank Vadi uncle for building schools and hope we children can get into more community volunteering to see what we have and what can give back to the society. Thanks to Chacha Nehru. We get Children's Day!
Thank you, Chitu, for that wonderful speech. We now call upon our spectacular singers, Anaya, Sparsha, Veda,
Melinda, Dia, and Advita,
to grace us with their blissful song.
ಬಸವೇಶ್ವರ ಕಂಪರ ಕವಿರಾಣಿಯಾದ ಇದೇ ನಾಡು ಇದೇ ಭಾಷೆ ಎದೆಂದು ನಮ್ಮದಾಗಿರಲಿ. ಚಾಮುಂಡಿ ರಕ್ಷೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೋಮಟೇಶ ಕಾವಲು ಇರಲಿ. ಶೃಂಗೇರಿ ಶಾರದ ಲೀಲೆ ರಸತುಂಬಿಯಾಗಿದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಖ್ಯಾತಿಯ ವಿಶ್ವೇಶ್ವರಯ್ಯ ಜನಿಸಿದ ಈ ನಾಡು ಇದೇ ನಾಡು ಇದೇ ಭಾಷೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಂದೂ ನಮ್ಮದಾಗಿರಲಿ.
Wow, that was outstanding. Absolutely wonderful. God bless you all. And now for the dynamic duo, Chinchu and Veda, to sing us a song, Count on Me.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, love when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me. Like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you. Like 4, 3, 2, you be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find a woven made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. You'll always have my shoulder when you cry. I'll never
I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you. Like 4, 3, 2, you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, you count on me 'cause I can count on you. Thank you, Chinchu and Veda, for that and wholesome performance. Now for an iconic Kannada song by Anand Suresh, who needs no introduction. ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಕರುನಾಡ ದೀಪ, ಸಿರಿನುಡಿಯ ದೀಪ, ಒಲವೆತ್ತಿ ತೋರುವ ದೀಪ. ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಂಪ ಸೂಕಲು, ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕಣ ಚಾಚೇವು. ಬಹುದಿನಗಳಿಂದ ಮೈಮರವೆಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿರುವ ಕೊಳೆಯ ಕೊಚ್ಚೇವು. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಂಪ ಸೂಸಲು, ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಣ ಚಾಚೇವು. ನಡುನಾಡೇರಲಿ ಗಡಿನಾಡೇರಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಲೆಯ ಕೆಚ್ಚೇವು. ನಡುನಾಡೇರಲಿ ಗಡಿನಾಡೇರಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಲೆಯ ಕೆಚ್ಚೇವು. ಮರತೇವು ಮರವ ತೆರದೇವು ಮನವ, ಎರದೇವು ನವ ಹಿರಿನ ನಮ. ನರ ನರವನೆಲ್ಲ ಹುರಿಗೊಲಿಸಿ ಹೊಸದು, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ.
A delightful and lovely song by Anand. Now for a child who's as bright as the sun, Sannidhi, sing a song for us.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕನ್ನಡ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ಥಾನವು ಎಂದು ಮರೆಯ ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನವು ನೀನಾಗು, ಕನ್ನಡ ಹಿರಿಮೆಯ ಮಗನಾಗು, ಕನ್ನಡ ನುಡಿಯ ಸಿರಿಯಾಗು. ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ಥಾನವು ಎಂದು ಮರೆಯದ ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನ ನೀನಾಗು. ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದ ಬಡವರ ಕಂಬನಿ ಒರೆಸುವ ನಾಯಕ ನೀನಾಗು. ಭಾರತೀಯರ ವಿಶ್ವ ಪ್ರೇಮವ ಮೆರೆಸುವ ನೀನಾಗು. ಭಾರತೀಯರ ಭವ್ಯ ಭವಿಷ್ಯವ ಬೆಳಗುವ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ಕಾಣುವ ಯೋಗಿ ನೀನಾಗು. ಹಿಂದೂಸ್ಥಾನವು ಎನ್ನುವ ಮರೆಯದ ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನವು ನೀನಾಗು. ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನವು ನೀನಾಗು. ಭಾರತ ರತ್ನವು ನೀನಾಗು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Wow, Sanadi, a song truly appreciated by us all. It really captures the Hindustani spirit.
Now for Sunari Thappa, who will, like daughter, like father, shall present us with a wonderful melodic Kannada song.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕನ್ನಡ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. विश्व विनूतन विद्या चेतन सर्वहृदय संस्कारी जय भारती करुनाड सरस्वती गुडी गोपुर सुर शिल्प कलाकृति कृष्णे तुंगे कावेरी पवित्रित क्षेत्र मनोहारी विश्व विनूतन विद्या चेतन सर्वहृदय संस्कारी जय भारती गंगा कदंबा राष्ट्र बल चालुक्य होय्सळ बल्लाळ गंगा कदंबा राष्ट्रकूट बल चालुक्य होय्सळ बल्लाळ हक्क बुक्क पुलिकेशि विक्रमर ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಜಯ ವೀರಶ್ರೀ ವಿಶ್ವ ವಿನೂದಯ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರಿ ಜಯ ಭಾರಿ ತ್ಯಾಗ ಭೋಗ ಸಮಯೋಗದ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಬೆಳುವೊಲ ಮಲಕರೆ ಸುಂದರ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ತ್ಯಾಗ ಭೋಗ ಸಮಯೋಗದ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಬೆಳುವೊಲ ಮಲಕರೆ ಸುಂದರ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಜ್ಞಾನದ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನದ ಕಲೆಯೈಸಿರಿ ಸಾರೋದಯದ ನಗರಿ ವಿಶ್ವ ವಿನೂತನ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಚೇತನ್ ಸರ್ವ ಹೃದಯ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರಿ ಜಯ ಭಾರತಿ ಅರಿವೇ ಗುರು ನುಡಿ ಜ್ಯೋತಿರ್ಲಿಂಗ ದಯವೇ ಧರ್ಮದ ಮೂತರಂಗ ಅರಿವೇ ಗುರು ನುಡಿ ಜ್ಯೋತಿರ್ಲಿಂಗ ವೇ ಧರ್ಮದ ಮೂಲತರಂಗ ವಿಶ್ವ ಭಾರತಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಾರತಿ ಮೊಳಗಲಿ ಮಂಗಳ ಜಯ ಭೇರಿ ವಿಶ್ವ ವಿನೂತನ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಚೇತನ್ सर्व हृदय संस्कारी जय भारती जय भारती जय भारती
Thank you, Shoy uncle, for that mesmerizing performance.
Now for a song by the Energizing.
ಸಿರಿ ಬೆಳಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಗೆಯ ತೆನೆ ಬಳುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ್ಯಾದ್ರಿಯ ಲೋಕಗದಿರ ಉತ್ತುಂಗದ ನಿಲುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯ ಹರಿದ್ವರ್ಣವನದ ತೇಜ ದಂತ ಕರುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ನಿನಗೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಆ ಇತಿಹಾಸದ ಹಿಮದಲ್ಲಿನ ಸಿಂಹಾಸನ ಮಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗತ ಸಾಹಸ ಸಾರುತ್ತಿರುವ ಶಾಸನಗಳ ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇತಿಹಾಸದ ಹಿಮದಲ್ಲಿನ ಸಿಂಹಾಸನ ಮಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗತ ಸಾಹಸ ಸಾರುತ್ತಿರುವ ಶಾಸನಗಳ ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಓಲೆಗರಿಯ ಸಿರಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ದೇಗುಲಗಳ ಭಕ್ತಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ನಿನಗೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಆ ಹಲವೆನ್ನದ ಹಿರಿಮೆಯೇ ಕುಲವೆನ್ನದ ಗರಿಮೆಯೇ ಸದ್ವಿಕಾಸಶೀಲ ನುಡಿಯ ಲೋಕಾಮೃತ ಸೀಮೆಯೇ ಹಲವೆನ್ನದ ಹಿರಿಮೆಯೇ ಕುಲವೆನ್ನದ ಗರಿಮೆಯೇ ಸದ್ವಿಕಾಸಶೀಲ ನುಡಿಯ ಲೋಕಾಮೃತ ಸೀಮೆಯೇ ಈ ವತ್ಸರ ನಿರ್ಮತ್ಸರ ಮನದುದಾರ ಮಹಿಮೆಯೇ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ನಿನಗೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಬೆಳಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಗೆಯನೆ ಬಳುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ್ಯಾದ್ರಿಯ ಲೋಹದ ಹಿರವು ತುಂಗದ ನಿಲುಕಿನ ನಿತ್ಯ ಗಂಧ ತರುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ನಿನಗೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಜೈ ಜವಾನ್.
Hello. Thank you for that show running performance.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, we welcome the students of Acts of Good Hope with their dazzling sunny dance.
This should fit now. He can't walk alone. No one can walk alone. Sit down. I need to know. Yeah, I think that's okay.
ಯುವನಿ ಕಾವೇರಿ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಗಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೋವಿಂದವೋ ಮುನ್ನ ಕರು ಕನ್ನಡ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರೆ ನೀ ನಮಗೆ ಕಲ್ಪತರು ಹೇ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಿಮ್ಮವ ಓ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಹೃದಯ ಶಿವ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಿಮ್ಮವ ಓ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಹೃದಯ ಶಿವ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಿಮ್ಮವ ಓ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಹೃದಯ ಶಿವ
वतन तुझे सलाम है, तू आन है मेरी, तू ही तो घर, तू ही बसर, पहचान तू मेरी। वाकई में दिल भर आता है अपने देश, अपने वतन की आजादी को याद कर। कहते हैं बहुत संघर्ष के बाद हमने इस आजादी को पाया है, पर क्या हम आज वाकई में आजाद है? क्या आज देश का हर नागरिक आजाद है? बिल्कुल नहीं। नजर दौड़ाइए और देखें कि हमारे आसपास क्या हो रहा है। हमें अंग्रेजों से तो आजादी जरूर मिली, लेकिन आज भी हम सामाजिक बुराई, कभी धर्म के नाम पर तो कभी मजहब या भाषा के नाम पर एक दूसरे को आज भी मारा काटा जा रहा है। महंगाई इतनी बढ़ गई है कि किसी गरीब को एक वक्त की रोटी मिलना भी मुश्किल है। इंडिया राइजिंग, इंडिया शाइनिंग। भारत तरक्की तो कर रहा है, लेकिन क्या वो तरक्की आम आदमी तक पहुंच रही है? गरीब और अमीर के बीच का फासला दिन पे दिन बढ़ता ही जा रहा है। लाल बहादुर शास्त्री ने कहा था, जय जवान जय किसान। तो फिर क्यों किसान आज आत्महत्या कर रहा है? क्यों बेरोजगारी है? क्यों गरीबी बढ़ती ही जा रही है? क्यों आज लाखों बेघर है? राजनीति में तो केवल भ्रष्टाचार ही है। समाज कल्याण के नाम पर अरबों रुपयों का हेरफेर होता है। हर व्यक्ति लालच में फंसा हुआ है। रिश्वतखोरी, लूट मार, आतंकवाद, नक्सलवाद, जात पात, भेदभाव, ये सब लोगों को केवल तबाही की ओर ही ले जा रहे हैं। पाप और गुनाहों का अंधेरा तब तक नहीं हटेगा जब तक आजादी और इंसाफ का मौसम नहीं आएगा। सारी दुनिया भर के 40% गरीब लोग जिस देश में रहते हो, क्या वो देश आजाद है? सवाल बहुत, अंधकार बहुत। इंसान गुलामी में है और सबसे बड़ी गुलामी है गुनाह की। कौन चुकाएगा गुनाह की कीमत? कौन दूर करेगा गुनाह की फितरत? कौन आजाद करेगा पाप की बेड़ियों से? इंसान हार जाता है और हारता रहेगा, क्योंकि इन मुश्किलों का हल इंसान के पास नहीं, सिर्फ खुदा के पास है। मेरे अगले शब्दों बहुत गौर से सुनिए। बेटा करता है आजाद जिसको, वो हकीकत में आजाद है। Whom the sun sets free is free indeed. कौन है ये बेटा और किस तरह वो हमें हकीकत में आजाद कर सकता है? उसका नाम है यीशु मसीह, जीवित और सच्चे परमेश्वर का एक लौता बेटा, जो इस धरती पर आया मनुष्य बनकर और क्रूस पर अपनी जान देकर उसने हमारी आज़ादी के सारे रास्ते खोल दिए। बाइबल में लिखा है कि खुदा ने दुनिया से ऐसी मोहब्बत रखी कि अपना एक लौता बेटा हमारे गुनाहों के लिए दे दिया, ताकि जो उस पर ईमान लाए वो तबाह न हो बल्कि छूट जाए, आज़ाद हो जाए। इंसान ने कहा, तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा। पर यीशु मसीह, तुम्हारी आज़ादी के लिए मैंने अपना सारा दिया, क्योंकि वो परमेश्वर है और केवल परमेश्वर ही ऐसी वाणी रख सकता है। तो आओ हम इन गुनाहों की बेड़ियों को तोड़ दें और इस दुनिया के मसीहा को अपने दिलों में आने दें। आज हम सब मिलकर अपने देश के लिए दुआ करें और अपने भारत को यीशु मसीह के हाथों में सौंप दें, क्योंकि वो एक ही है जो हमारे देश को हकीकत में आज़ाद कर सकता है। जो अंधकार में घिरे हैं उनके लिए वो रोशनी है, जो नफरत के शिकार है उनके लिए वो मोहब्बत है, जो शांति से परे है उनके लिए वो शांति का राजकुमार है। मार्ग, सत्य, जीवन वही है। खुदा का कलाम कहता है कि धन्य है वो देश जिसका प्रभु यहोवा है। मानवता की दशा स्वराज्य से नहीं पर परमेश्वर के राज्य के आने से ही बदल सकती है। आमीन।
You ate your chocolate. What do you eat? You get chocolate.
Thank you all for that eye-opening performance. It all deeply touched.
Now, to welcome Nathan uncle to sing a song for us.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಹಸಿತಾ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿ ಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲವ್ರದ್ದು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯದ ಈ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ದೇವರು, ಯೇಸು ಕ್ರಿಸ್ತು ಇರಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದೂ ಧರ್ಮದ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ದೇವರು ಇರಲಿ, ಇಸ್ಲಾಂ ಇರಲಿ, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಅಂತ ಭಾರತ ಒಂದು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ನಾವು ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ದಿನದ ಒಂದು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಧರ್ಮದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನನಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮೆಚ್ಚಲಿಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಏನಿವೆ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ, ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಅದು. Okay. Now, before I sing a song, I want to take a count of people. Because normally, after my song, people are not there.
Don't worry, we'll go.
ಗುಂಡಿ ಒಡೆಯ ನಾನೆಂದು ಕೂಗಿ ಹಾಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ನೋಡು ಬಾದಾಮಿ ಐಹೊಳೆಯ ಚಂದ ಕಲಿಯೋಕೆ ಕೋಟಿ ಭಾಷೆ ಆಡೋಕೆ ಒಂದೇ ಭಾಷೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಸ್ತೂರಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ದರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಬೇಕು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದರೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಣ್ಣ ಮೆಟ್ಟಬೇಕು ಬದುಕಿದು ಜಟಕ ಬಂಡಿ ಕಿದಿ ವಿಧಿ ಓಡಿಸುವ ಬಂಡಿ ಬದುಕಿದು ಜಟಕ ಬಂಡಿ ವಿಧಿ ಗುರಿ ತೋರಿಸುವ ಬಂಡಿ. Thank you.
Thank you, Nathan uncle, for that wonderful performance.
Now, to honor you hard work of Valentine, to celebrate all the nights of burnout, we welcome to congratulate your efforts, all the sweat and tears poured into getting your high school degree. Lots of love to your journey ahead. Now would be Rachel.
Thank you, Kushi and Shane. I would like to call upon Ashani Auntie to give away a token of appreciation. Please welcome Ashani Auntie. Now I would like to call forward Aditya Tuppar. Is Aditya Tuppar here?
Yeah, he's here. Hey, come guys. Quick.
Aditya Tuppar.
Come. आ गया. He's here. Go. Aditya, she's calling you.
Next, I would like to call upon Siddharth Menon.
Guys, I want everybody to give a big round of applause. They have achieved a big thing in their life, and I know you're all tired of waiting for breakfast, but just bear for a few more minutes.
Next, I would like to call upon Rayana.
Right now you have to turn this side. Okay, background will go to.
Oh my god.
Thank you, Ashania. Now I would like to call upon Vinay uncle to give away the tokens of appreciation.
Somebody has to hold it.
Now I would like to call upon Nikunj Agrawal. Moving on, next I would like to call upon Archit Saigal. Next, I would like to call upon Ira Madhav.
Thank you, everyone. I thank Lakeshore Homes on behalf of my daughter Ira,
and Kannada Rajyotsav Subhashyagalu. Thank you, Vinay uncle. Next, I would like to call upon Jayant uncle to give away the prize. I would like to call upon Akshara Arvindra. Next, I would like to call upon Vedant.
Pankaj. Pankaj is there. भाई पंकज भाई इस तरफ पंकज भाई इस तरफ
Next, I would like to call upon Navkrut Rupesh Vaishya. Thank you, Jayant uncle. Now I would like to call upon Rashmi Halapat auntie to give away the prize. I would like to call Sridhar uncle to give away the prize. I would like to call upon Rashma auntie to give away the prize. I would like to call upon Kevin Tony.
Kevin is not there, but parents can connect. Tony is not here. Seema.
Next, Aditi Rao. And last but not the least, I would like to call upon Rohan. Thank you.
Hey, all kids, we need to have one group photo. Please come. Whoever has taken.
Friends, as we are congratulating all the students, I also would like to congratulate and thank all the parents for their efforts. Big round of applause for all the parents.
We would now like to call upon the participants of Gandhi Jayanti celebrations for their certificate and prize distribution.
Can I call upon Mr. Nathan to please come forward and distribute the prizes?
I would request Rohit Vedam to come on stage. Rohit Vedam, is he? Come.
Yes, he's there.
So you are the lucky one. You are getting the prize from him.
Or Nathan, you are the lucky one. Eh?
Could Melinda, Arpita and Divya come forward? This is for participating in the Gandhi Jayanti celebration.
But I have to turn this side. All of you, this side, please.
Would Shuganti come forward to distribute the next 3 prizes? Veda Ajit, Veda Dakshini and Kruti come forward.
All of you to turn this side with your certificates. Better turn this side. Hey, you have to stand there and turn this side. All of you. Good. Chikku also. Chinchu also. Yes.
Could Alok uncle come to distribute the next few prizes? Arav and Dr. Nirupa Pareda. Arav? Thank you. All our planned events are now completed. Now I'd like to call upon Avantika to give us the vote of thanks.
Before the vote of thanks, I will also recognize a person from Lakeshore Home who has traveled in his bike around 6,000 kilometers and come back. I request Surendra Velu to come.
Yeah. Hey, Suren.
And I wish him happy riding and also request to take many Lakeshorians on a bike ride in future. Thank you, Suren.
Hello. Good morning, all. Our most valued invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, I, Avantika Damodar, am privileged to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. On behalf of the LSH Cultural team, I extend a very hearty vote of chief guest, Mrs. Ishanye, for gracing us and being a part of this occasion, along with sharing her experience. Further, we are grateful to Mr. Patabi Ram, Principal of Act of Hope, for obliging to our request to witness the marvelous talent of the children of Acts of Hope School. Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, please give another round of applause to these talented gems of Acts of Hope School. A big thank you to Mr. Nathan, our President of Lakeshore Homes Member Committee, for welcoming our residents and giving us the opportunity to witness the talent of Acts of Hope School and arranging the eye camp for our residents. A special vote of thanks to our mummies munchkins, Mahi and Namit, who were extremely adored. Thank you, Akshara and Ananya, for that wine prayer this morning and setting the path for a memorable and successful event. Thank you, Chinchu, for that inspiring Children's Day speech and alluding us to the importance of basic education, healthcare, and we all wholeheartedly agree with you that we should not promote child labor. As children, one of the most important relationships that we cherish is that of our close friends. And many of our childhood memories is associated with our friends. Veda and Chinchu, thank you for choosing to sing the song Count on Me. That was an amazing effort. To my dear Lakeshore childhood friends, remember I can count on you and you can count on me too. Thank you, Aneya, Sparsha, Veda, Melinda, Diya, and Advita for that beautiful and melodious Kannada song. It is true, wherever life takes us, the spirit of this land, Karnataka, shall always be with us. Thank you, Sanidhi and Anand, for that inspiring patriotic songs. All of us should truly do our bit for this country. Thank you to Nathan uncle, Shaurya uncle, Veena auntie, Lakshmi auntie and Shubha auntie for those melodious Kannada songs that brightened our morning and made us feel proud for being Kannadigas. Thank you to all our 12th graders for gracing this occasion. All of you are role models for us to pursue our studies and careers in the long run. Wishing you all the very best on behalf of Lakeshore children. A very special vote of thanks to the team behind the scenes led by Mr. Prakash, our estate manager and his team. Without him, this event would not have been possible. A big round of applause for Mr. Prakash. Suren uncle, thank you for taking photographs and adding pictures to our memory lane. Vinod, Daniel uncle. Pradyum, thank you for accommodating the last-minute request to stream this event virtually, enabling our digital presence of LSH and our grandparents to view this event. I cannot forget my dear friends Khushi and Srinidhi for anchoring this entire event. Great job.
Big round of applause.
Thank you to all our residents for gracing this occasion and encouraging and supporting us. A big round of applause to all the wonderful residents of LSH. Everyone, please clap for yourselves.
Thank you for the vote of thanks, and I've been watching who is not clapping. So who is not clapping will get the breakfast late. Now you can come for the breakfast, please. Thank you.
On to the background.
The